Hi guys, how are you doing today? So I've already uploaded a video on how to prepare multigrain flour at home. So using the same flour, I'm going to show you how to prepare this multigrain pancakes or cheela, which is high in fiber and protein and low in carbs. So you can choose to use this for your lunch or for your breakfast or even for your dinner, especially during weight loss. So guys, let's get fitter. In a bowl, I'm taking 1 to 1.5 cups of homemade multigrain atta, which we have prepared earlier. You can check my earlier videos on this healthy food playlist on weight loss. This is a kind of protein atta which is loaded with fibers, vitamins and minerals. Hence it will take care of all the nutrient deficiency, especially during weight loss. To this I am going to add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour just to make the flour little lighter, because most of the things in this multigrain flour is gluten free. So you can also add some gluten if you like you can also add half a cup of wheat flour to this if you want to, but today I am not using wheat flour. Next to this I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of fine semolina or sooji. This is also a healthy carb as it's made out of whole wheat, so it boosts your energy. It's rich in iron, contains zero cholesterol. It helps in weight loss if it is paired with good protein and fiber rich food. Mix it a bit. Next I am going to add half a cup of plain yogurt or dahi. Dahi contains calcium, which is good for bones. It improves digestion, boosts immunity. It also releases anxiety and stress. It helps you lose weight and improves your skin also. Mix it a bit until it's nicely absorbed by the atta. And now I'm adding just about 1/4 cup of water to this and then mix it. You can also use buttermilk here. We don't want to make the atta very watery at this point of time. We'll add some more water later. So this is how it looks. The entire water and dahi is soaked by the atta, and let it get soaked and stand just for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the moisture is taken by the sooji and it swells up a bit. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the batter has turned little dry. You can see. So at this point we'll add some more water to make a thick consistency pouring batter. It should not be very runny at all, so be very careful while adding water at this stage. So this is the consistency after adding the water. Now goes in some salt, green chillies. You can also add red chilli flakes if you like, or red chilli powder. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, some finely chopped onions, some tomatoes, capsicum, some carrot finely chopped, or you can also use grated. Then I'm adding some finely chopped spinach leaves and some fresh coriander. Give everything a good mix. You can add a variety of finely chopped vegetables here, whichever you like. You can also add some spring onions, mushrooms, methi leaves, or even cabbage for your children. Vegetables are naturally low in fats and calories, and it's important source of many nutrients, dietary fibers, potassium, and it keeps you full for long. This will help in weight loss. So basically it should have a dosa batter consistency like so. So this batter is ready. So first we are going to keep the tawa or the pan for heating over medium flame just before you start making the pancakes. So here I am heating this pan and then coming back onto the batter. Now I am adding, just before making the pancakes, I am adding a teaspoon of fruit salt or Eno to this. This is lemon flavored Eno. You can also use the plain one, but do not use any flavored Eno. Mix it a bit. This will help in making the pancakes very light and fluffy. So I personally like using this. But if you don't want to use this, you can simply substitute it with half a teaspoon of baking soda, which will react with the dahi and will give you kind of same effect. But do not overmix this also, else all the air bubbles will collapse, which will help in making it light and spongy. Now brush the pan with some olive oil or ghee. I am using ghee as it's a good fat, and then pour the mixture onto it. You can pour 2 ladleful and then spread it well in a circular motion with the help of the back of the spoon. And then I'm going to sprinkle a few more chopped veggies over it. Again a combination, the one we used inside: onion, tomato, capsicum, carrot and some fresh coriander. Let it cook on one side for about 2 minutes over medium flame. And if you're making little thicker pancakes just like me, then you can cover it with a lid also. And then let it cook over medium flame for about 2 minutes. Let's remove the lid and check. It's nicely dried on top. We'll flip it over onto the other side. Looks lovely with gorgeous this golden brown color, and it's quite crispy also on this side. And now we'll drizzle half to 1 more teaspoon of ghee on this side, and again let it cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. As we have used oats, dals, bajra, ragi, besan and soya flour in this multigrain, so we want it to be cooked very nicely from inside as well. So keep cooking over medium flame only, and then keep flipping and drizzling some ghee as desired to cook it evenly on both the sides or until it's fully cooked, golden brown and slightly crispy. So I turned on both the sides. It doesn't take much time. It almost takes 3 minutes on either side. It's done beautifully, you can see. So it's done beautifully. We'll remove it out and repeat the process for the rest of the batter. Similarly, we'll prepare another one and keep flipping and drizzle some ghee as desired to make it. So the second pancake is also ready. So these power packed, full of energy protein pancakes, or you can also call it as multigrain cheela or multigrain pancakes or weight loss cheelas, these are ready. And if you want, you can also cut them into triangles. I'll show it how it looks from inside. It's nice and soft within with juicy vegetables and crispy on top. You can enjoy this with some green chutney on the side, and you can have this for your breakfast or even as a meal replacer for your dinner. I hope you enjoyed watching this healthy recipe, and if yes, do hit the like button and stay tuned for another healthy recipes coming up soon. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.